Alright, hello everyone. We recorded a video earlier trying to clean the headlights. But what happened was clear coat and they turned real foggy. So what I'm thinking is that once the clear coat fully cures, the fogginess is gonna go away. Just getting the tools ready. We're gonna change the brake pads because they are pretty bad. Well, they're not that bad, but they're kind of bad.
They're squeaky.
They're squeaking. So that means that it's time to change them. So let me show you guys what we're going to replace those with. So these are the brake pads we're going to use. What are these called?
Read the box, you dumbass.
The Brake Best Select Premium Disc Brake Pads. They say they supposedly restore original braking performance. We're going to see if that's true. They're made out of ceramic too. So yeah. We're going to get started, pull the wheels off. And yeah. So if you guys are thinking of changing your brakes, I mean this video might be real helpful. Or at least the brake pads. Not like everything, but just the brake pads. Alright, so we got the wheels off. This is what it looks like. Yeah. What is this? Look. Is that good or bad?
Burn it off.
So then it's bad we did have to change them.
Said it will burn it off. Yes. And you put the new brake on. Give me the bag.
I don't know how long this is gonna take. We're gonna start on this side because there's more shade, and I forgot to mention it is 108 degrees. 108, but we're in the shade. We are in the shade. Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna take the old pads off. What is that part called?
I'm fucking know, I'm not a mechanic. I'm a welder.
So we don't know what that's called, but we're gonna take it off. So this is the old brake pad. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Good thing we're changing it now.
These are these ugly ass.
Let me see. Yeah, these are the ugly ones. Look, there's nothing left on.
Don't you see how thick it is?
So is there anything left?
Duh. You dumbass.
So then we do have to change them?
Don't you see these are the one that squeaks? See how these were heated up a lot?
Yeah, so they're not really completely used up, but they squeak so much that, I mean, they're squeaking so much that we just decided to get new ones. If you guys have any suggestions what you would have done, comment down below. I mean, I just don't like the squeaking. Yeah, I mean, you can see there's still a lot of life left here. But these look like the really cheap brake pads anyways. And I'm not trying to get in a car accident, so yeah, we need good brakes.
This goes here.
So you took it off from there, right?
See?
This is the old one. Yeah, so see how it's all rusted? That's why the brakes were squeaking so loud. I mean, I couldn't even go down the street without these brakes squeaking. Alright, so yeah, I mean, it's not that hard. We're just gonna swap them out. Let me see. So yeah, I mean, compare this. Obviously, these have more life to them, but compare this. These are ceramic as well, so I mean, I mean, some people say they work better.
Some people.
To this. These were just not doing the job, so we're gonna put these on.
How you doing that one? It's the same shit. Tell the fuck hands I get closer.
Yep, not a hard install. Could have done this myself.
Then why didn't you?
it's pretty much just slipping it back in. And when you slip it in, it sort of just clicks.
It doesn't click.
Click. It doesn't actually click, but it looks like it clicks into place.
It clicks. Oh, it turns out it doesn't click. Well, go give me the whole box.
Why? I gave you the box, didn't I?
That's all it came with? Look, when we put this shit on, it's not gonna go back on much. You have to close these.
So what? I mean, this is how your brakes work. When you step on the brake, you're pretty much just sort of clenching these, and it stops the wheels from moving. At least that's what I think. Alright, so we got a little bit of a problem. So we took a little lunch break. Show them what you're eating. And what is that inside? Anyway, so it's a quick lunch break. But the problem is, do you want to explain it or do you want me to explain it?
I don't know what the fuck it is.
So basically, remember when we took this off, this thing that we don't know what it's called, this thing that we don't know the name of, was right here. Because this pretty much holds the brake pads in together. Anyways, so as you can see, it doesn't fit. Or it doesn't close, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna do something to fix it. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Damn, this is heavy. Yeah, you don't want to let that go because it's being held by this. And if this just falls on the ground, I'm pretty sure this is just gonna snap off. Isn't that right?
No.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna...
It'll just get damaged.
It would be damaged, but it wouldn't fall off. Sorry. Anyways, so we're gonna use these clamps to close this shut.
It closed, and we're using the clamps to open it back up.
Yeah, it closed, so we're gonna use the clamps to open it up. These clamps, at least. Alright, so do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You don't even know how to move.
Alright, do it.
Grab an old brake pad.
That's the old one.
Set it in there like so. Hijo de la chica. Cut.
Can you explain what you're doing?
I'm trying to get the clamps on there so I can close it.
Hold on, take a break because Miss Jesse's the bathroom. So he will remember he was closing the clamp.
You don't have to do every single step you've done.
I missed it, but when you're doing that, it opens it up. Yeah, and as you can see, it fits pretty neat. Looks real good. So we're pretty much doing the reverse of what we did when we took it out, tightening up the bolts.
Hijo de la chica.
What?
We're pretty much doing the opposite from when we took it off and putting it back on.
You can pull it. So this is the purse where he keeps all his tools. It's a really nice purse. Alright guys, so I tightened up these bolts. And when I was tightening this one, I sort of lost my balance. And I hit the bumper. Shit. Fuck. But the bumper was already pretty loose. Alright, so I got it to snap back in. I'm just gonna tighten up the bolt. I don't know how good it's gonna hold up though. Can't believe that one bolt is holding this whole side of the bumper.
Pumping the brakes.
We're pumping the brakes just so we can get it nice and juicy down there. Yeah, so the squeak is completely gone. Wow, I totally dig that. Did you hear the squeak?
No.
Me either. Yeah, so the brake. You guys, the brakes work.
E for bird.
What was that?
Well, that was her brakes. You got catch? Where's the local
One of our brake pads. Alright, so we're gonna assess the situation.
We're gonna have to use the e-brake.
So, what the fuck was that?
As you guys can see, we're using our e-brake to slow down.
Alright, I'm just kidding, guys. The brake pad did not fall off. Did it?
No.
Stop right here. So I just want to show you guys. This is my old middle. This is not a fucking entrance.
Yes, it is.
How is this an entrance? Alright, so we got the photos, and now we're gonna test the brakes. Absolutely no squeak. Completely took the bitch down. Alright, stop right here. There's no squeak whatsoever on these brakes. What do you think? Yeah, no squeak whatsoever. Like, these brakes are good. Damn, like, I actually like what they sound like, which is nothing. Here, you can start recording now. Wait. Alright, so thank you guys for watching our video. Like and subscribe if you want some more of our content, because this car's gonna need a lot of work. So if you guys want and he has a car that doesn't even turn on yet. So if you guys want us to record this stuff, just subscribe and you guys will get all our videos. What do you have to say?
Ah, pues ya nos vemos para la otra.